Good morning, campers. We're off to see the Groundhog. 554 Adventures by D, going to see General Beauregard Lee in Jackson, Georgia.
Yes! Groundhog Day!
Going to see the Groundhog is a bucket list item, and hopefully we're going to make it. We're just a couple miles, 702, cutting it close. We're behind an 18-wheeler, trying to figure out what lane it wants to be in. Groundhog traffic is building.
Apparently. How am I supposed to go around these guys?
Don't drive angry. Don't drive angry.
Here we are, Groundhog Day. We made it to Dauset Trails Nature Center. Dauset Trails Nature Center. Go Beau!
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. We're here at Dauset Nature Trails to see General Beauregard Lee. We made it with about 10 minutes to spare, so we're hurrying off to the Groundhog.
They even had somebody to park. They have signage.
His mansion.
They have some lights. It's what time is it? 7:10, 7:15? People are hustling.
7:20.
7:20?
Yes.
All right. Welcome to our adventures. Let's see how this goes. This is a bucket list item for him to see a groundhog. Do a forecast.
Excuse me. Where's everybody going?
To Gobbler's Knob. It's Groundhog Day.
This playground.
Oh, it's bow time, Chris.
Where does it say that?
I'll hang up on this side.
Oh, okay. I think I'm going to need to put my gloves on. Just get oh joy. Oh, check it out.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's bow time. Whoa, there's a lot of people over there. That must be where it is. Feed the fish, I guess, or the ducks. Very nice.
Phil? Hey, Phil? Phil Connors? Phil Connors, I thought that was you.
Hi, how you doing? Thanks for watching.
Hey. Now, don't you tell me you don't remember me, because I sure as heck fire remember you.
Not a chance.
Ned! Ryerson!
So look how pretty it is over there. Check it out. Oh, look, there's a little sign. Thank you.
No problem.
Awesome. Groundhog Day, 2/20/20. 2/2/2020. Oh my. The groundhog's at Whistle Pig Way. An official weather prognosticator. around some risers. Oh yeah, there's the news. The news is right here. Okay, so how excited are you? Are you putting on your pin? There's a sign. Look, somebody has a sign that says Beau for President 2020. Hey.
We're ready. I don't know which way it's gonna go.
And there's this, we can't really read it, but there is, they do have like a PowerPoint going on the sign.
Kind of a projection thing
Very
going
cute.
on.
Very cute. Some people brought signs. One said Beau for President. One says Snow Beau, please no school. Oh, it's the same sign.
All right, what time is it? All right, 7:30. Here we go. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I feel it. The tension is palpable.
Let's give him a real big round of applause and let's give Mr. Freeman one more chance to get it out. Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. Now this second day of February 2020, I, General Beauregard Lee, Pontificator of the South, meteorological marmot and gentleman's gentleman, will make this 39th annual weather proclamation from 101 Whistle Pig Way, Dauset Trails Nature Center, Jackson, Georgia. Okay. Well, I woke up Sunday morning with no way to hold my head that it didn't hurt. And the hash browns I had for breakfast wasn't bad, so I had one more for dessert. Then I fumbled in my closet for my clothes and found my cleanest Sunday shirt. Then I washed my face and combed my hair and came down the stairs. In the park, I saw a daddy with a laughing little girl who was swimming. And I stopped beside a Sunday school and listened to the songs. And then I looked around, and what did I see?
Here we go.
Check out the merch.
You're fine. Y'all know which one you want?
So funny.
Okay.
You got that one.
Okay, if the green one, we don't have any enlarged.
Thank you.
That's
Thank
size
you.
10,
So funny.
that helps with your.
It's on the back.
Let's see here. They have a red-tailed hawk.
This will air, it aired this morning on our morning show, live on our morning show. And this will be later this
Two of them. They have two of them. You know what? They have turkeys. Oh, look it. It's a bobcat.
It's a bobcat. It's a hikers.
Uh-uh. Look at that. One right there. And there's one here. Those guys.
So those get the pardon? There's the deer out there. Around the tree.
There. They're just hanging out. Dudes, what's up? Turkey, bison. Was it one? Way down there. Way down. There's bison and there's the deer. See if I can get it. Let's see.
How still those deer sit.
And then there's turkey, right? There. There's turkey.
How did I clean it?
A barn owl.
Much more. I went old when I had that.
Must be way up high.
Oh no.
They are. Two of them.
I would have had a bunch more.
Looks like he's trying to get the other one to start dancing.
It looks like it's yours. See, Mom.
They keep animals that can't survive here
Yeah,
in the wild.
there's a reason they're here.
Yeah.
And they're
Me
helping
being the
them, but
video. Oh look, there's 2 or 3 right here.
oh, hello. Look, they're trying to break out. They're escape artists.
He's chewing his
There's
little
2 of them. Look at that.
thumb. No wonder it's pungent. They're right here on you.
They are so cute. I don't want them at our house, but they are so cute. Look, they're playing. This one's like, get me out of here. Poor things. All right, we've looped around the trail.
There's another one's loose.
Oh my God, look at this. That is awesome. Look at that. It's a temporary coyote exhibit. Don't do that. Don't do that. Look how gorgeous. All right, it's pretty much cleared out almost around here. We walk some of the trails. This is the official sign. It's hard to see from this angle, but through the fencing. Georgia's official weather prognosticator at Dauset Trails Nature Center, General Beauregard Lee. And then he has this palatial Southern estate with the Georgia state flag and the US flag. Check it out. This is just adorable, isn't it? The craftsmanship is better than our house.
He's got real shingles and everything.
I know. Do you think he has a heater in there?
Thank you very much for such a fun day. Really appreciate it.
Not out anymore. I wonder if he went back down in the hole.
He is in there. I see him.
He's right there.
Zoom in. You can see him.
Hey there.
Good job this morning.
Thank you.
Worth the drive.
Here's an opossum. And it must be, yeah. I think there's 2 of them in there. Oh, hello. Yeah, there's one there and there's one asleep in the front. marsupial. I'm assuming these are foxes.
They're dingoes.
Do I win? They're coyotes? Oh, they're a different coyote than the other one. Different coloring. Ooh, look at it. That always seemed like they would need so much more land. You know what I mean? Look at that. What is it? It has a turkey leg. I'm sorry we didn't bring Hershey. Check it out. The sun is rising. The Barnyard Exhibit. All right. So we're one of like 15 or so cars left in the field. They're more parked up closer to the building, but this is where we parked. It's 9 a.m. so it's been an hour and a half since the ceremony. Very pretty area, very, very pretty. Lots of trails, animals, you can have a picnic. Dauset Trails, open daily 9 to 5. Dauset Trails Nature Center. Beau knows.
All right, well that brings our Groundhog Day video to a close. It was so awesome. Did you have fun?
I did, yes, I did. It was interesting to see it. Never seen one in person. So
Yes. General Beauregard Lee did see his shadow, so 6 more weeks of winter here in Georgia.
I'm sorry? What was that again?
Good news for some, not for others, but a really nice place here at the Dauset Nature Trails Center. Nice place, a lot of animals besides the groundhog to see. We looked around. We hadn't been here before, and it was a lot of fun.
just chilly. I'm
Time
cold.
to get in and warm up and get some breakfast.
Yes, and since Waffle House was a sponsor of this or helped out, we're suddenly feeling like we need something Waffle Housey.
Yes.
And since General Beauregard Lee had some hash browns we heard this morning, we're feeling like...
You folks ready to order?
I like mine scattered. Smothered
covered,
and diced.
peppered.
I like them scattered. Hash browns, onions, tomatoes. That's how I like mine.
No, I'm a waffle guy. No hash browns needed.
Special today is blueberry waffle.
Since we must show the internet food, what are you eating?
The All-Star.
The All-Star. With raisin toast, grits, and a blueberry waffle. And I got the Texas bacon, egg, and cheese melt, my favorite. Extra pickles. My hash browns scattered and smothered. There's my extra pickles. It is a symphony watching everything going on here. It's very, very busy. So it's like, I'm right at the bar, right up front. It's amazing. No, I enjoyed this place. There's quite a few animals, and there's a picnic facility. There's a barn. People were very nice.
All right, until next time, may the adventures be with you.
May the adventures be with you.
Happy Groundhog Day.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and
Ringing a bell.
so you'll be notified of our next upload. And as always, may the adventures be with you.